How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confidence. Today I'm going to be talking about a really interesting news article that has a lot of interesting implications, so stay tuned for that. After that, I'm going to be talking about XRP, diving into the metrics and trade confident indicators to give you a good idea of where XRP is heading next. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. We provide daily crypto content, education, and analysis, so stay tuned for daily videos. With that in mind, let's dive straight into the news article. Iran makes the first import order using cryptocurrency. Report. This report comes from Reuters and was last updated August 9th, which is yesterday. Iran made its first official import using cryptocurrency this week, the semi-official Tasnim agency reported on Tuesday, a move that could enable the Islamic Republic to circumvent U.S. sanctions that have crippled their economy. The order, worth $10 million, was a first step towards allowing the country to trade through digital assets that bypass the dollar-dominated global financial system and to trade with other countries similarly limited by U.S. sanctions, such as Russia. The agency didn't specify which cryptocurrency was used in the transaction. By the end of September, the use of cryptocurrencies and smart contracts will be widely used in forward trade with other countries, an official from the Ministry of Industry, Mine and Trade said on Twitter. The United States imposes an almost total economic embargo on Iran, including a ban on all imports, including those from the country's oil, banking, and shipping sectors. Tehran is one of the largest economies yet to embrace cryptocurrency technology, born in 2008 as payment tool aimed at eroding governmental control over finance and economy. Central African Republic, one of the world's poorest countries, has also embraced crypto. It became the first African state to make Bitcoin legal tender in April, and last month launched its own digital coin. El Salvador last year has also adopted Bitcoin as legal tender, though the project has been beset by public skepticism amid tumbling crypto prices. So my interpretation of this article, it's kind of a middle ground here. For the US-based politics, it isn't great. It means that Iran has found a way to get around our sanctions. So for the United States itself, it is not ideal. From a cryptocurrency standpoint, though, which is what we're focusing on today, this is really big. This shows that there is going to be mass adoption from several other countries. Iran just made a $10 million order using cryptocurrency to circumvent U.S. embargo. And I mean, that's what cryptocurrency was originally made for. The purpose of cryptocurrency was to take away government control over finance and the economy. So to see it being used for its original purpose is bullish in my opinion, even if it's not ideal for specifically US-based politics. So I'm not going to make any opinions on the political side of it, but the implications for cryptocurrency itself are really good. It shows mass adoption from countries, entire countries, and they're not the first ones. And this means that I think as we see more legitimacy come to crypto, I think this is going to be really bullish overall. With that in mind, let's talk about XRP. Right now, I'm looking at the top and bottom finder with XRP USDT from tradeconfident.io. Right now, we are getting a buy signal without the confirmation. So right now, I'm going to be hesitating to buy here. Typically, when looking for a confirmed entry, we want to look for either a purple strong buy signal or a green buy signal with green bars below it. These green bars are what is going to confirm a move. And looking over here, again, we don't see those green bars as a confirmation. So I would hesitate to make an entry on this. Right now, we are also right on the middle line. Typically, if you're under this middle line, you're in a downtrend. If you're above it, you're in an uptrend. We're in very neutral territory right here. The market as a whole is also reacting to the CPI report, showing that economic inflation has slowed down significantly. I believe the number was like 0.2% or 0.02%. If you want to learn more, check out the latest video from Travis. It was a great video, very informative. With that in mind, we are seeing a move up, so I would also still hesitate to buy at this point despite this signal. Again, no confirmation, we're not buying. Now let's take a look at the indicators from Trade Confident. This basically confirms what I just said. Trend exhaustion is in the neutral territory. Price versus money flow is also in the neutral territory and moving down. We did just hit a very significant point of resistance that we have maintained since the beginning of August. It is now August 10th, so that's been about a week. We did see a big move up here in response to the economic news that inflation is slowing down, and we again bouncing off this resistance line. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw this begin to move down. Whale money has definitely began moving down again, which is directly in line with this red candle. The next price point I'm looking for after bouncing off this resistance here is this ascending support line on this ascending channel pattern. So say roughly around 36 cents for XRP here. We're right about at 37 cents, so 36 cents isn't that much of a move, but this is where I'm looking for next. I love making these videos. I love giving you guys the fish, but if you want to learn how to fish yourself, learn how to analyze these trades and enter the trades for yourself, what you're going to want to do is head over to tradeconfident.io and scroll down to get started trading with us. This is where you're going to find our scalping performance. This will show you all the trades we've done so far. We have made 400% profit over the S&P 500 within 80 days. So we're doing incredible with our trading using these brand new indicators from Trade Confident. What you're going to want to do next is watch this strategy video and see if it aligns with how you like to trade. If you really like what you see, you're going to want to grab a membership. Just click this link right here, and then you're going to want to join our Telegram. This is where you're going to see trade announcements as well as any other market updates or Trade Confident specific updates that you may need to know. So with that, make sure to sign up as soon as you can. If you want to grab the indicators that you saw in this video, head over to the indicators tab up here. You're going to get the lifetime access for one-time payment. You're going to get all 9 of Trade Confidence indicators for just the price of our top 3, the price versus well money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. Right at this link, you'll find that bundle pack for, again, one-time purchase, lifetime access to all of these fantastic indicators. With that in mind, thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.